Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Godhand GH-PN-95. Now, this is not the normal Godhand snippers. This is actually made for kids, but it is made by Godhand. I found it at my local gunpla shop, and I just wanted to give it a test and see how it fares in comparison with a cheap old kit I got in the Philippines for only 350 pesos. That's roughly $6-7 for all this. And let me take the nippers out here. That one. So this is the cheapo nippers. And here's the Godhand GH-PN-95. So comes with this nice little protective case or cover that you can put the nippers in when not in use. Now it is made for kids who are entering the hobby, but honestly it's not a cheap buy. Cheaper than the normal Godhand, but a lot more expensive than this guy. So as you can see, the tips are blunt as to not poke anyone. Has a little spring. So I have a little screw here I'm going to test it against. I'm actually going to do it against a couple of things. There's two pieces here that are exactly the same, so I'm gonna test it against that. So let me just take it off the runner real quick. I'm taking it off of the larger sprue, and then so here we go. We have the two pieces. 1, 2. So I'm going to try it with the cheap one first, this guy. See what kind of results I get. So I'm flushed against it. And over here as well. So I'm gonna do the cut like this. So you can see. See if I can get that. For really cheap nippers, it's pretty okay. Okay, so that's this with this. I'm gonna put that here. Now here is with the Godhand. Now remember, this one's not the, this is the one made for kids, so let's do this. Have it flushed. That was very nice. Let's do this guy. Just trying to find the best way. So a lot of times you see the way it's connected, so there you go. So this way. Flushed again. glass part here. Okay, and that's with this Godhand. Now, so Godhand on the right and cheap nippers on the left. So let's go side by side. That would be this side. I thought I did a third one. Oh yeah, here. This cut was noticeably different and noticeably better. This one, I don't know. I might have messed this up. Right there. I mean, the cut itself is good, but oh, it's opposite. So you can see the two differences. And then this side, oops, this side. Definitely the Godhand is a lot better. Now, in comparison to the price, I don't know. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.